Hi, I'm Roland Parker and the owner of Impress Computers. I recently spoke to over 1,200 IT providers from across the US about one key message: AI isn't optional anymore. For Houston area businesses, AI and automation can dramatically improve speed, consistency, and profitability. The right approach is simple. Pick 2 or 3 workflows first, standardize the process, then use AI and automation to remove bottlenecks while keeping security guardrails in place. Because here's the other side, attackers are using AI too. That means cybersecurity and response time matter more than ever. I put the full roadmap in a short blog post. If you want to take the next step, book an efficiency assessment or schedule a security readiness review, contact Impress Computers on 281-647-9977 or click the link below